Well, with all of this constant talk about COVID-19, whether it's with our updates or maybe at home with your friends and family, it may be stress-inducing. ABC 13's Micah Hatfield spoke with a psychiatrist about how to calm your anxiety. Here's what they had to say.
Some people are at home from their jobs, waiting to see if they're going to have a job when they get back, and I hate that for them. It's pretty sad, really. So many people losing all the money they had.
What's happening right now can feel daunting. There's a lot of unknown, which breeds anxiety for some. Psychiatrists suggest that you don't overwhelm yourself with information about the coronavirus, the side effects it's causing, and how it may or may not affect you. Instead, focus on what you know now.
If we let ourselves kind of look into the future and predict and imagine negative scenarios, it's going to create anxiety, and there's nothing we can do about those things. We have to focus on the practical issues in front of us, and then, like I said, go back to a place of gratitude for everything that we have right now.
Live at Herman Park, Micah Hatfield, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
Some good advice for us all, Micah. Thank you for that.